Hi there, today's walk is a bit of an impromptu walk. I found myself down at Boudi National Park with my camera and my hiking shoes, so I thought I'd do the walk down Bullimah Spur and back. It's a pretty warm day today, but luckily there's a lot of tree cover on this track, so it shouldn't be too bad. Let's go have a look, let's go for a walk and talk. Boudi National Park is one of 3 national parks in the Central Coast area. Today's walk will be my 3rd walk and talk episode in Boudi National Park. Our walk starts at Kilcare at the Maitland Bay Information Centre car park, which has room for around about 20 odd cars. Remember, no one-clad bathing. The walk starts with a descent down a set of concrete steps. The Maitland Bay track is a combination of steps and natural bush track. The Bullimah Spur is a 1.6 kilometre track that runs off the main Maitland Bay track along the ridge out to the lookout. Most of the track along the Bullimah Spur is reasonably flat, with just a few rocky sections, just like this one, just to keep it a little bit interesting. I just love these rock formations. Here's one of my favourite trees. Just love these red gums. Recent fuel reduction burns to reduce the likelihood of bushfires has revealed these large boulders on the side of the track. We're starting to get glimpses of Maitland Bay through the trees. I know there's a proper lookout just ahead. Here's a little bit of a better look. We can zoom in just to get a closer look. Here's a lookout along the trail that gives us a really good look of Maitland Bay. Quite a spectacular panorama, isn't it? And here's another lookout over Maitland Bay and the South Pacific Ocean. It's not long before we arrive at the Bullimah lookout. We've reached the end of the track. Time to sit for a few minutes, have a drink and take in the view. It's time to make our way back. It's pretty warm and the shade along the track will be very much appreciated. Open areas like this one reveal the large boulders on the side of the track. Here's a bit of a closer look at the red gum we saw earlier. I just love the way the branches twist and turn. We've made our way back to the main Maitland Bay track. The track naturally goes down to Maitland Bay. It's a great place to spend a hot summer's day like today. We're going to head back up to the top of the hill, no matter how tempting the thought of a swim is on a hot day like today. It's good to be finally back up at the top. We made our way back up to the Maitland Bay Trail car park. Today's walk was a little bit difficult due to the heat and humidity, but it wasn't too bad. The walk itself was around about 4.5 kilometres long and took me around 2.5 hours to complete. Along the way we got to see some really nice Aussie bush. There's a couple of lookouts, one overlooking Maitland Bay and the other one over Kilcare Beach. Hope you liked this video. If you did, hit a like, subscribe, share and leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Bye.